Well, here's the wrinkle paint experiment with the Swan 700 case, and I'm sorry about the a-hole leaf blower up the street here. Looks like I didn't spray it evenly, but I'm surprised how well the wrinkle stuff came out with this. It is looking better, like it's almost brand new. I did overspray here, put it on way too thick, but it looks like it's drying pretty well. At any rate, that's how you can take your case back. Just buy some wrinkle paint. I should have brought the bottle down to show people what I used, but it came out good. I'm not sure what the guy had here, but I should really, I guess, squirt it again. But you can only waste so much paint in this thing. It does look better than it did. So now I think it needs to go in the oven at 200 degrees for like an hour. Of course, there's plastic here I don't want to melt, but let it dry for many days and it should be good. All right, wrinkle paint on a Swan case. I sure hate leaf blowers. Yeah, so it didn't come out too well there. Of course, the guy had some kind of weird damage there. But it looks better. I did make some mistakes with it, but I wasn't used to the viscosity of the wrinkle paint. But it did wrinkle, so that's pretty cool. It's looking pretty much like a new radio. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.